Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is going to be a series on speakers. That's basically the best way I can put it. You're going to be watching videos on how to understand speakers, on how to read information about them, characteristics, the specifications of it. That there'll be majority of simple videos, but I'll make sure that if you want to, there'll be some extra videos that'll explain more in depth, a little bit of physics on how some stuff works, and again, that'll be if necessary. If I missed out on something in the videos that, for example, you might need if you want to go into something a bit more complicated, like modifying a speaker, that can be sometimes very important. For example, for me in making a cheap speaker for really good bang for your buck. Now, this will be a really helpful series, I hope, for anyone who wishes to make a speaker or how to make one. I really hope by the end of this you'll be able to make a speaker from scratch, mostly, at least from sort of being able to choose the components, properly connect them to each other, and understand how to make one and ultimately make a speaker by even constructing your own body, maybe. Body will be a different topic. I'll go over the materials and etc. Anyways, yeah, you should know that. Again, that'll be my whole series. I hope you enjoy this series, and I guess I'll talk to you in the first video of my series, the next one. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Have fun.